Look at him. Cole. Honey, he can't hear you, sweetie. No, I don't even think he knows that we're standing. Yeah, he's real. Yeah, look at this. Cole, come over here. I know they're going to come this way, baby. Come back.
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at them. Will they wave to us? Yeah. All right, maybe we can wave to him. Oh, look. He's waving. Look. Yeah, look at he's waving. That is cool. Cole said that is so neat. Yeah. Look at him. He's scrubbing all the algae off. Yeah, look at all that algae coming off there. Ew. I want this job. How do I get this job?
I never thought about maintaining.
I didn't either, but I want this job.
Yeah.
Wonder how I would do this. I would do this for free.
You would?
I would do this for free.
I want to do this for free.
Man, that would be cool.
I want to do this for free.
I know. You can one day, Cole, when you get older.
My name is Nick.
All right, I think we probably need to sit down. Miss Debbie's probably one. But this is the neatest thing. I've never seen anyone do this. Look at how he's putting, they really cleaning it.
Yes, rude.
I didn't realize you had to clean them. I don't know. I don't know.
All the way around in the back. Right here. We're all the way around in the back.
Okay.
Oh, look at that big old fish. Look at all of it. All the, ooh, it's dusting them up, isn't it?
Get it done early enough. Let's stand and I'll take pictures and I'll come off the phone.
Look at, there's a shark down there. There's a shark down. Can we go around this way to make it back that way? All right, well, let's go this way. Look at these big old fish you're swimming with. Look at, he's going backwards. Cole, look, Cole. Look at, there's a shark right there. Cole, come this way, guys. Come this way. Look at this. Look at this. There's a shark up there, a black fin shark. Look at this fishy. There's two sharks. Two sharks. Oh, look at this. Look at the two sharks up there. Look at the shark right here.
That's a flat nose.
Look at that one laying out.
Don't touch the glass, Mela, because it hurts their ears.
Bella, look. Please keep hands off glass.
Yep, there you go.
Don't touch the glass. Don't touch the glass.
She didn't mean to bump you.
Carmela, calm down.
What do you think of the whole thing?
Says I'm hungry.
He's sucking on his binky. Yeah, I want fish. Okay, keep walking. Let's go sit down at our table. Okay, which table's on?